how pretty. Now watch him get down there and mess it all up. There he goes.
Don't you have an elliptic fit? Huh? Are you having an elliptic fit there, Willie? Go,
Well,
Willie,
I don't
go.
get it. Didn't mean to curl or brush your hair.
Go, Willie, go. Go, Willie, go. Go, Willie. Go, Willie.
Willie.
Aww.
Trying to dry his ears. And his whiskers, I guess. I'm glad I combed your hair, Willie. At least he's not scooting his hiney on the carpet. Like that commercial. You can't get dry, Willie. Poor baby.
He's been doing this for like a minute.
Well, are you better? Come here. Come here, baby. Let me see you, Willie. Are you handsome now?